Good morning, viewers. Let's do a fresh and a free walk around London's top tourist attractions. This walk would cover some of the iconic landmarks of London. Let's walk, guys. Come on. Your trip to London wouldn't complete without you taking a photo with the London Big Ben. Adjoining to Westminster Parliament and the Big Ben, you will find Thames River cruise piers and the famous London Eye. We'll walk around the Big Ben from different roads and different angles to show the beauty of Big Ben and the surroundings from different views. Please stay tuned. What we walk right now is the Westminster Bridge, one of the oldest in London. We'll go over the bridge and enjoy the spectacular views. The London Thames River cruises will give you one of the most amazing experience. It's a must try. Please stay tuned for a video on Thames River cruise coming soon. Let's cross the road to see the view from other side of the bridge. What an amazing morning with bright sunshine, magical clouds, blue sky and spectacular views on Westminster Bridge. This free walk is a must try, guys. If you visit London, just come here and just walk around. You will find amazing views, spectacular sceneries all around the place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and support the channel.